been a little while since I touched this. By a little while, I mean, I think like a few months. 2 months since I last touched it. I don't know. It's been kind of, I don't know. It's been hard to find motivation to start working on this. And then the holidays happened, and then still no motivation to work on it, which is odd because I used to want to work on it all the time. With the hood removed, it now is just a lot easier to work around this thing given my tight space. So what I will be doing next is taking off the strut bar, the intake manifold. Before I do any of that, I'm going to drain the oil and I'm going to drain the coolant and then start tackling the intake manifold. We have the intake manifold taken off, and I will give you guys a view from the side so you can see. So you got 2 bolts, or I'm sorry, 2 nuts here, 2 nuts there, 4 nuts there, and then 2 here. While the intake manifold is on, I couldn't show any of this. It's all access from the bottom. And as you can see, there's no way to see through the runners to where this mounts up. So even like through here, there's no way to go down and over. So everything is accessed from underneath. Terrible design. I'm gonna be honest, taking this motor out is harder than taking out the motor in the Genesis. Also, upon removing some of this stuff, I have realized why people just pull the body harness through, and I'm regretting not doing that, but I already have 90% of the body harness disconnected from the motor. Only has 1 wire going to it. And it runs back behind this fan, back behind this coolant, along the block, down behind the AC compressor pump, or AC compressor bracket, then over to the location. So rather than me, taking all this apart to get this one sensor out of the way, I just cut it. Since it's just 1 wire, I can just solder it back together and deal with that at a later date. The next thing I will be tackling is disconnecting the starter and also start disconnecting the headers. Okay.
Last century.
I can't get a good angle on this one with the camera, so there's just one last bolt to get out, and it's right at the end of where the this crowbar is. I had to pry back some of this old, I don't even know, it's like sound deadening or insulation, whatever that is. But with that one out, the only thing that's holding this thing in are the two engine mounts, and then I should be good to pull it out. I got to reattach this so I can hook through here and here to hoist it out. But when you are removing the bolts from the bell housing, they are E14, I don't know if it's going to focus, E14 E-Torx. There are two different sizes. The other size was a E10. Highly recommend you guys just pull the motor as one big thing with the transmission. It'll save you a lot of hassle. With the last bolt removed, the engine is ready to come out. While I was under the car, I noticed something, so let me show you guys what that is. So I don't know if you'll be able to see too well, but the seal here at the transmission is leaking. So as you can see, it is wet like all the way up there. So this thing has just been spinning and spewing out fluid for I don't know how long. And I'll be honest, I've never changed the fluid in this, so I'm a little bit worried for the state of the fluid and the transmission. This also means that I will be pulling the transmission, so I could have avoided dealing with that last bolt by just removing the transmission and the motor at the same time. I mean, I guess we'll find out if it's a bolt or not. the engine finally removed from the car, the next step is to start stripping it down. So take off the clutch flywheel, and then all the accessories, everything attached to the motor that isn't part of the motor itself will need to come off, so then I can assess what exactly, well, not so I can assess, so I can start ordering everything that I need. And that does include popping off the valve cover gasket, as I need to know if I need to do anything with the header now. With all that being said, I think this is a good spot to end off this episode. You know, we've pulled the motor, taken off everything that we needed to get it out, and the motor's now out. So the next steps are obviously removing all of the accessories, taking this off, getting it on an engine stand so we can, well, actually first taking this off, get it on an engine stand so we can get it off the hoist and I can disassemble the rest of the motor. I don't have an engine stand currently. I will have to pick one of those up. Also, let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see this motor put back in, or if I should do an M52 swap, because I still haven't decided which route I want to go yet, and I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Throw in your opinions out there, let me know what I should do. But ultimately, if I do go with this, I will be tearing it down, cleaning it. I will not be going for more power with this. I'm not going to boost it or anything like that. That's a lot of money. And if I'm sinking that much money in, I may as well swap it. I'm having a hard time deciding. So let me know in the comments if you want to see, you know, more of a purist approach where it's just the stock motor, stock drivetrain, or boost this motor, or M52 swap it.